Wow, that's exciting. I can't wait to see what new features and upgrades Apple has in store for the iPhone 16 models. It's always interesting to see how they continue to push the boundaries of technology with each new release. Do you have any more information on what we can expect from the leaks? These revelations are bound to elevate the iPhone 16 to new heights of awesomeness. The past week has been buzzing with Apple news, whether it's official announcements or juicy leaks. We've heard whispers about potential delays for the iPads until May, which I'll be covering in another video. Then there's the exciting news that WWDC is slated for June 2024. But today, let's dive into the real hands-on confirmation of the iPhone 16 models and dissect the upgrades they're bringing to the table. First off, let's take a closer look at these genuine hands-on leaks courtesy of Sunny Dixon. One of the most noticeable design changes in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus is the revamped camera module. Say goodbye to the square design we've grown accustomed to since the iPhone 11. Apple seems to be reverting to the pill-shaped design reminiscent of the iPhone 10 and 10s, and it looks stunning. Rumors and leaks over the past year have hinted at this design overhaul, and it appears they're right on the money. I've even created some concepts envisioning a two-tone effect, which would truly set the iPhone 16 apart. Now let's talk screens. There are not one, but two upgrades in this department. Firstly, Dixon's design confirms upgrade number 2, a larger display area for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the increase in screen real estate is evident. Previous leaks suggested a 6.1-inch display for the iPhone 16 Pro and a 6.3-inch display for the Pro Max, and Dixon's leaks seem to align with these predictions. But that's not all. Upgrade number 3 comes in the form of even thinner bezels, as reported by the Elec. Apple is pushing the boundaries once again, aiming for bezels even slimmer than last year's iPhone 15 Pro models. This reduction in bezel size allows for a seamless transition from a 6.1-inch to a 6.3-inch display on the iPhone 16 Pro, and from a 6.7-inch to a hopping 6.9-inch display on the Pro Max. The prospect of larger edge-to-edge displays is truly exhilarating. We have a brand new button making its debut on the iPhone 16 range. Positioned below the power button in Dixon's leaks, speculation suggests it could be a dedicated spatial vision recording button. Imagine effortlessly capturing 3D videos with a simple press. This customizable button allows users to tailor it to their preferences, whether it's launching specific apps or executing certain actions. It's a feature that enhances user experience and adds a layer of personalization to the device. Now my take on these upgrades, I'm thrilled about the distinct design direction for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. The prospect of larger displays coupled with sleeker designs is undeniably enticing. However, I do have reservations about the dedicated spatial vision button. While I applaud Apple's focus on innovative features like Vision Pro, the addition of a dedicated button feels somewhat unconventional. Historically, Apple has favored simplicity and minimalism in its design, so this departure raises questions. Nevertheless, only time will tell how these upgrades will resonate with consumers. Now, on to the release date. Historically, Apple tends to unveil its new iPhone lineup in early to mid-September during a special event. Alongside the iPhones, we might see new AirPods, iPads, and Apple Watches. As for the actual release of the iPhone 16 models, expect it towards the latter half of September. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the big day. That wraps up today's video. If you found it informative, smash that like button. And if you crave the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.